Hi guys, today we're going to learn about AUTENTICO Terrapieno. This is our embossing paste. It's designed to give your stencils a different dimension. So you're going to need your Terrapieno embossing paste. You're going to need one of those, some of this, definitely some of that, and one of these. I've pre-prepped a draw front here. So first step is sticking your stencil down to your surface. Make sure that you've made it center and you're happy with your placement. Try and make sure there's very little bounce. So that is AUTENTICO Terrapieno. Great embossing paste, brings a completely different dimension to a simple draw front. I've given it a light sand in areas to give it a different age effect as well. If this is something you want to try out, then subscribe to our channel.